So hey guys, and welcome to another Rise Up Nation episode. On this episode, I'm gonna bring you guys xerosploit. Xerosploit is a really cool tool. It's actually used for a lot of things. One of them is man-in-the-middle attacks, like really easy man-in-the-middle attacks, not so elaborated, but yeah. I'm gonna show you guys what it does. First of all, the disclaimer, yeah, we are not responsible for whatever you do with the knowledge and everything that we share on this video. This is strictly for educational purposes only. You should only work with any of these tools if you are a professional or a student of cybersecurity and technology in general. So, without further ado, let's go into it. So, what we have here, it's xerosploit. It's from LionSec. As you already know it, just clone it or download it, copy it. Just CD, desktop. You already know that this means, if you've been following the tutorials, that this means desktop in Portuguese. Then you're gonna git clone it and put the URL that we saw. But I already did it, so I'm gonna do it. So if you guys watch it here, ls, you have it. Where do I have it? CD xerosploit ls. Okay. So after you just install it, you can basically watch it. You can run it from here just by typing xerosploit, but I'm actually inside the folder. So I'm gonna go out of the folder so that you guys can watch that. You can use it from anywhere. So yeah, you can just type xerosploit from anywhere on the console, and you can run a scan to see who's on your network. I'm just gonna choose this one for. I'm not gonna do it all the way, but. And if I wanted, I could inject some HTML code, JavaScript, replace files being downloaded. You get the idea, right? Okay, you can do. This is a great, fun, and easy script for beginners to try to work with this. So yeah, guys, hope you liked it. I'm not the type of people to be just slowing down videos and making like 20 minutes videos just because. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please follow, share, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on Facebook. Don't forget the Facebook page. That's where we get the most helps and reviews, and we actually have groups there where we help each other. So follow it, don't forget it. See you guys next time on Rise Up Nation.